Hi guys, Ronsay here. Today I am going to show you another beautiful tutorial that I did, and it's gonna take you only a few minutes.
Lifestyle, clothing, hair and more.
So let's get started. You're gonna need some hair bands and bobby pins for this hairstyle. As you guys can see, I am making sure that I section the hair, actually the braids, because I have my box braids on, and I'm going to section my box braids first in the front pattern.
Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one.
So now I'm going to use the hairband and secure the braids on this section. Now I'm going to flip the box braids on the front and start braiding them down. So as you can see, I'm doing the same thing on the side pattern. I'm sectioning the braids, and then I will also braid them down. So on the side pattern, I don't need any hairband. I am just going to braid them all the way down. So just keep watching.
Bad man, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh, man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure me na run.
So now that I'm done braiding the front pattern, we are going to do the back. For the back, I need a hairband, and I'm going to pack the hair in the middle like so, and I'm going to braid the hair upwards.
One time, he's butty baby. VQs, mix and mix it, yeah, no. Leg up. Standard. Baby. One time, he's butty baby. Leg up. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh yeah. Go low. Man a tell me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Na me a dance. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure me na run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never come.
So I'm done braiding all the box braids. Now it's time to use some bobby pins. So when I'm wrapping the hair, I will be using bobby pins. But if you're trying this hairstyle at home, make sure you have enough bobby pins, because some people do use more bobby pins and some don't need too much. So I'm just saying, use as much as you need to secure the hairstyle. Now I'm done securing my hairstyle, and boom, look at this look. I am in love with this hairstyle, guys. I hope you love it. See you next time.